Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to the Sukruta Educational Academy. This is Moti Raj, trainer of aptitude. Today we are going to discuss the topic name is how to find out squares in 5 seconds. So the topic name is squares. Squares, the numbers are from 1 to 9. The numbers are from 1 to 9 squares. So from these numbers I am taking one questions as randomly, that is 4-digit number, that is called 2222 whole square. Now let us see the difference between this method as well as our traditional concept. So first let us see the traditional concept. So if I take 2222 like this, and if we perform our traditional concept, how long will it take? Let us check. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again coming to second step, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Again third step, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and finally fourth step, that is called last step, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So finally we have to add all the values. So here this will become 4, this will become 4 plus 4 8 and 4 3s are 12, 1 will be carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, here 17 will be, 7 will be here, 1 will be carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, here this will be the 13, right, 13 means 1 will be carry. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 here and this will be the 4. Finally we get the answer, this one, that is called 4937244. So this is the our traditional concept. But in our examinations we have to solve every questions in 15 to 20 seconds. So if you follow this concept, if you perform like this, it consumes a lot of time. So friends, I can say, so please do not follow this approach. This is not the correct approach for examinations. Now let us see how to find out the questions in 5 seconds. So within 5 to 10 seconds we can finish any kind of questions. Mostly it will take just 5 seconds. So let us take now, see the concept, please observe carefully. For first questions I will try to write 2 steps. So let us take, there are how many digits, just count it, 1 2 3 and 4, there are 4 digits and all the digits are similar, and whatever the concept now we are going to discuss, that will be applicable for when the similar numbers will be given. So when different numbers will be given, we will see later. So now let us see the concept. There are 4 digits and the digit is 2. Just here numbers are squares, just do it square. 2 squares means 4. So we know that 2 squares means 4 and there are 4 digits. So how many digits would be there? That many times we have to multiply, right? So 2 squares means 4 and there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 and 4, that many times we have to multiply, and this is the number 1 2 3 and 4. So I'm starting to do this problem. So here 4 square means the first number 4 1s are 4 here, and second number 4 2s are 8 and third number 4 3s are 12 and fourth number 4 4s are 16. So I have done the multiplications of 4 times. Now see, observe here, this is the last number and whatever the numbers before the last number, just write them as it is from RHS to LHS. It means like this, start from here. So just write as it is. Here is the 12 and next we have left 8 here and next we have left here 4. Now we can say, easily we can say the answer. Now let us add the questions, add all the numbers, like this is the 4 and this will be the 8 and here is the 12. 12 means 2 will be here, 1 will be carry. 16 plus 1 here 17, and here we can say here 1. So 12 plus 1 13 will be here, and here 1 will be carry. So 8 plus 1 9, and finally we have left what we can say here 4. So finally this is our answer we can say. Now let us check here 4937244 49372. So here something we are missing here, we can say here 8, right? So same answer we are getting. Okay.